Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I am going to talk about something I spent time working on over the past week. I built 5 complete apps using Base44 and I did everything inside the platform without writing a single line of code. Base44 is an AI-powered tool that helps you build websites and apps simply by describing what you want. You just type your idea in the chat on the left, and the AI automatically creates it on the right side of your screen. I wanted to see how far I could go just by using prompts and creativity. So I tried making 5 different kinds of apps for different purposes, and I will be walking you through each of them. The first app I made is called Serenity. Serenity is a website built for spa and salon services. I wanted something calm, relaxing, and visually soft, so I told the AI to design a page with smooth color tones, gentle backgrounds, and modern typography. I added sections for services about the spa, and a booking form where customers can schedule appointments. The AI took care of everything. I just described the design and the content I wanted, and it generated the layout instantly. Serenity turned out looking like a real business website with proper navigation and spacing. The visuals had that luxurious feel you would expect from a wellness brand. I think it really shows how Base44 can create professional websites, even for business owners who do not have technical experience. Next, I built an app called EventFlow. EventFlow is an event planner and organizer app. It helps you keep track of your schedule in both calendar and list format. I asked the AI to include event details like title, date, time, and location, and also to create a database where all those events are stored. The database allows everything to stay saved, even if you refresh the page. I wanted the interface to look clean, so I asked for a modern layout with simple colors and rounded elements. The result was smooth and easy to navigate. It even has a search bar, so I can quickly find specific events or filter them by date. This app is perfect for students who want to track school events or professionals who want to manage meetings and schedules. The third app I made is called TaskFlow. This is a to-do list app, but with a modern design and practical features. I asked Base44 to add an input field for adding new tasks, buttons for editing and deleting, and a section that shows how many tasks are completed and how many are still pending. I also asked for progress tracking at the top so users can quickly see their productivity status. The AI generated everything in seconds and made sure it worked on both desktop and mobile. The interface feels clean and the buttons respond instantly. I found this app really useful while I was working on the others because it helped me organize my workflow. TaskFlow is a great example of how AI can help you build simple but useful productivity tools. After TaskFlow, I created an app called FormForge. FormForge is a form builder that lets users make and share their own custom forms. The AI used a neumorphism design style which gives the app a soft modern look with subtle shadows and depth. I asked for basic form fields like name, email, and message and told the AI to make sure all submissions were saved in a connected database. It even added a small admin panel where I could view the responses right inside the app. I did not have to set up any external connections because the AI handled it automatically. I think FormForge could be really useful for teachers, businesses, or anyone who needs to collect feedback or survey answers in a simple and modern way. Finally, I made Creative Studio. This one is a personal favorite because it is a creative portfolio website designed for artists, designers, and filmmakers. I told the AI I wanted a site with a strong layout that could display projects clearly. So it built sections for featured works, an about page, and a contact form. I also added a hero banner at the top with a tagline and a photo area that showcases my portfolio. It turned out really professional, almost like something you would see in a design agency website. Creative Studio is a great way to show off your work and let people contact you directly without needing to build everything from scratch. What I really like about Base44 is how easy it is to make adjustments. Every time I wanted to change something, I would just type it in the chat on the left. For example, if I wanted to say, change the background color to light gray, or add social media icons at the bottom, the AI would rebuild the section automatically and show me the new version instantly. There is no need to drag elements or open a code editor. The process feels natural and creative. It is almost like you are collaborating with a digital designer that instantly understands what you need. As I kept working on these apps, I noticed how flexible Base44 can be. You can create apps for different purposes, business tools, personal websites, and even community projects. Everything you build stays organized under your account so you can open any app, edit it, or publish it later. The publishing process is also simple. You just click publish on the top right corner and your project goes live. Base44 even gives you a public link that you can share with anyone or connect to a custom domain if you want. Out of the 5 apps I built, my top picks are Creative Studio and TaskFlow. Creative Studio stands out because it shows how beautiful and polished a portfolio site can look, even when made entirely by AI. TaskFlow, on the other hand, is a small but really helpful tool that anyone can use every day. Serenity is great for showcasing how the AI handles business designs. EventFlow is excellent for planning, and FormForge is useful for gathering data. All 5 of them serve completely different purposes, but they all share the same thing. They were created with Base44 in just minutes. I think what makes Base44 special is not just the speed, but the way it encourages creativity. You focus more on your ideas and less on the technical side. You do not have to worry about layout grids or syntax errors. You just describe what you want and watch it appear on your screen. For people like students, freelancers, or creators who want to save time and still produce something professional, Base44 is a perfect tool. After building these apps, I realized how much AI has changed the way we approach projects. Instead of spending hours learning code or design software, you can now build full apps in under an hour. The AI is smart enough to understand context and design structure. It gives you a starting point that already looks polished and you can refine it step by step. I think that is what makes this platform so fun to use. So to wrap everything up, I built 5 apps: Serenity, EventFlow, TaskFlow, FormForge, and Creative Studio, using only Base44. Each one serves a different purpose, and all of them were made without coding. Base44 handled the structure, the design, and the functionality, while I focused on the ideas and features. This shows that with the right AI tools, anyone can create functional digital projects quickly and easily. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and follow for more tutorials about Base44 and other creative AI tools. I will be sharing more projects, tips, and ideas soon, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.